got ourselves a mail call. Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Hope your week is going well. If you missed Cast Iron Wednesday yesterday, I'll put it in the end card so you can check it out if you missed it. I got a mail call to show you. So we got I believe we have stickers, and of course we get a package. Envelope suggests stickers, so using my Ontario Rat 1 letter opener, it's the only way to roll. Oh, cool! I got a new sticker from Singing Toad, a real cool guy. Sent me a letter too, which I will read that off camera. But he's got some new stickers. Very, very cool. Singing Toad's a really good guy, especially if you like knives and Sharpie things. He does a lot of knife stuff. Very cool. So I appreciate that, brother. I will read your notes off camera, because there might be something in there that's personal. Now this was sent to me by Water to Field. And I'm opening it up upside down because all our addresses are on the front, so you know, for reasons. I kind of know what this is, but I don't think I've actually seen it. Oh, sweet. I finally got some Water to Field stickers. Awesome. Thank you, brother. Those are going on my board. Got a couple more stickers. Oh, it looks like he threw in a little bottle. It looks like that's Fatwood. Smells. That's really cool. A little jar. And he also sent me something sharp. So he sent me a little keychain knife. Can never go wrong with more knives. Ever. Alright, I'm going to actually cut this off for a second. Just to make sure there's nothing on here that's like addresses and whatnot. I'll bring. His smaller one was actually a clear sticker. So I went ahead and just taped this one here so you could actually see it. And then I get the Singing Toad right here, actually right underneath his old stickers, so it worked out well. And for the other item in the bag, it was this, Bill Melton Plaque. Just wanted to make sure there wasn't any personal information on there that didn't want to leak out. But it's signed by many people. I'll be honored to put my name next to so many others, and then I'll pop this in the mail to Mr. James G. He's going to be receiving this next, so I gotta reach out to him, email, and get to see if he has a new updated email or not. And I do appreciate you sending it to me, brother. I will sign it, and I will get it in the mail. So thanks for watching. Links will be in the description, as well as Bill Melton's channel. I mean, he's no longer with us, but he still has videos you can watch if you'd like. Check him out. See, what everyone's talking about, or who everyone's talking about. And we'll catch you in the next one.